The recording for our second passage. A Nation's Strength by Ralph Waldo Emerson. What makes a nation's pillars high and its foundations strong? What makes it might to defy, that foes round it throng? It is not gold, its kingdoms grand go down in battle shock. Its shafts are laid in sinking sand, not on abiding rock. Is it the sword? Asked the red dust of empires passed away. The blood has turned their stones to rust, their glory to decay. And is it pride? Ah, but that bright crown has seemed to nations sweet. But God has struck its luster down in ashes at his feet. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong, men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. Question 9. What is the central idea of the text? Question 10, Part A. Which statement best represents a central idea of nation's strength? A. Powerful nations are those that are the wealthiest. B. The strength of a nation is dependent on the character of the people who comprise it. C. While violent wars may cost nations innocent lives, they are necessary in ensuring a country's security. D. Leaders of nations who are willing to compromise with other world leaders are ultimately have the most powerful nation. Part B. Which line from the text best supports your answer to Part A? A. What makes a nation's pillars high and its foundations strong? From lines 1 and 2. B. And is it pride? From line 13. C. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Lines 17 and 18. D. Who dare while others fly? Line 22. Question 12. How do the repeated questions contribute to the structure of the text? A. They show how much power a nation has at its disposal. B. They emphasize things we would assume make a nation, but in fact do not. C. They demonstrate the complicated nature of describing nations due to their many parts. D. They indicate that defining a nation is a task too difficult to do in one stanza. Question 13. What is the meaning of fly as it is used in the final stanza? A. Soar. B. Run. C. Flee. D. Float. If we're looking at the final stanza. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. Question 14. What is a nation compared to in the first stanza? A. A city. B. A country. A. A building. D. A rock. In the first stanza. What makes a nation's pillars high and its foundations strong? What makes it might to defy that foes that round it throng? Question 15. How does the author develop the theme of this poem? Support your answer with details from the text. This is your exit ticket. Make sure you have a solid claim. Make sure you've attacked the prompt here. Also providing your evidence and your analysis. When you are final and complete, then you can click Submit Quiz.